Hi po. Hi to 501. Thank you to Couch Wolf. Thank you for one dials. Hi Kuya Yuki. So tired. Hi brother. So tired. Hello. So sorry, been busy. I just finished doing the laundry. So tired. Hi to 491. Good night. It's already nighttime. It's nighttime here. So I did the laundry in the afternoon. Here it's 5:46 p.m. 5:46, it's okay. Ta-da-da-da-da. Hello Pikachu, welcome. Why is so tired? Hi G. Welcome, welcome. Right. No, when I do the laundry, it's afternoon. It's 5:47 p.m. right now here. Kind of fine, just tired. But I will do live again later for another 1 hour. Hello to 477, I cool. I'm not an Indian boo. I am not. I just put that name because there's a lot of scammers, but whatever name you put, magagaya pa rin talaga nila. I just put that name there. Kind of fine. Hi to 464. Yeah, if someone shouted you with the same name and same profile picture on my page, always double check if it's me. Because there's a lot of scammers. I don't message directly actually. If I message you, I need to follow you first. Pala. I need to follow you first before I can message you. Ideal so always double check the account, guys. Always double check. Hi to lovebirds. Hi Non. Welcome, welcome. Hmm. I'll be going to work soon. Oh, okay. Are you resting now? Waiting for the time to go to work? Yeah, wish you luck, brother. Good luck. Wish luck. Hello, hello, guys. Thank you to Don. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much.